Well, hello there. Hey, this is Nick Beveridge at the North Idaho REI team at Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to this campground we just listed at a very affordable price. Now, you can bring your RVs here, bring your family. We've got a shed that's included with the property, around about 1/3 of an acre here, fully treed, kind of surrounding. Also, just around the corner here, you've got a gated entrance. You've got two 30 amp hookups for RVs and a standard duplex outlet just above it as well. And you don't have to take a dump in the woods. You got a porta potty right here. Why don't we go check out the lake? Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. And if you would like to check out this property, feel free to give me a call. I'm at 208-964-0494. And I'd love to show you this property or anything else here in beautiful North Idaho.